Hyperbolas.
Now back to This Week in Math.
So our next guest is Alex Meyer. Alex Meyer is the creator of the new video Hyperbolas, The Secret of Life. Alex Meyer, will you please explain to us what this video is about?
Well, it's a math video about math, specifically hyperbolas.
Yes, yes. And when you say hyperbola, do you mean hyperbola?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Yes, yes. I figured so, but my grammatical skills were just not pulling through for me at the moment. Well,
Unfortunate.
we will now take a look at Hyperbolas, The Secret of Life, and see some of the highlights. That way we really get a feel for the video, and maybe get you more money than the $2 you have already earned.
Very well.
You see, the difference in the foci equals 2a. That's better.
The center of hyperbolas is always 0, 0.
A squared and C squared are in love.
Love you so much.
But then they get subtracted.
Which equals b squared.
Who could that be?
Well,
I love you.
for left-right hyperbolas, you have x squared over a squared minus y squared
Squared.
over b squared. That equals
1.
Guys, come look at this! Look, a circle!
Cole, we're looking for hyperbolas.
Did you know the foci of a left-right hyperbola is plus or minus C0?
Wow!
Whoa.
We are learning!
The inner mechanizations of my mind are an enigma.
S M
Topes!
chocolate!
Are you guys talking about the asymptotes of a hyperbola?
Yes! Yes, sir!
Well, the asymptotes for a left and right hyperbola contain the equation y equals plus and minus b over a times x.
Whoa. Math! Major, minor, major, minor, major, minor, major, minor, major, minor.
Eric, what are you doing?
I'm looking for the major, minor axes of a hyperbola.
Here, try this.
A long time ago, in the land of Hyperbola, there was a young Hyperbola. He could not find what his major and minor axes were. He asked an older Hyperbola, "What are the major and minor axes?" The old man said, "If you are a left-right hyperbola, then your major is x and minor axis is y."
Away! Woo! And now for story time with Chase. There once was an ugly barnacle. This barnacle was so ugly, everybody died.
The end. For up-down hyperboles, the equation is
y y squared over a squared minus x squared over b squared equals col. I mean 1.
Very well.
Guys, come look at this! Dude. Look, a circle!
Col, we're looking for hyperbolas.
Did you know the foci for an up-down hyperbola is 0 plus or minus c?
Wow!
Whoa.
We are learning!
The inner mechanizations of my mind are an enigma.
S M Topes.
Are you guys talking about the asymptotes of a hyperbola?
Yes, sir.
Well, the asymptotes for the up and down hyperbola contain the asymptotes equation y equals plus and minus a over b times x.
Whoa. Math.
Major, minor, major, minor, major, minor, major, minor, major, minor.
Eric, what are you
I'm
doing?
looking for the major, minor axes of a hyperbola.
Here, try this.
A long time ago, in the land of Hyperbola, there was a young Hyperbola. He could not find what his major and minor axes were. He asked an older Hyperbola, "What are the major and minor axes?" The old man said, if you have up-down hyperbola, your major axis is y and minor axis is x.
No way! Woo! And now for story time with Chase. There once was an ugly barnacle. This barnacle was so ugly, everybody died.
The end.
You two, go find some hyperbolas in real life for me.
Alright.
Hyperbola!
Hi, I'm Alex Byler, maker of Hyperbola, the secret to life. When I get dehydrated from making math videos, I like to replenish with
Physics.
all the necessary electrolytes that you need to stay hydrated when making math videos. That's some good hydration. Hyperbola.
And now back to our hyperbola fashion show. Woo! Our next model is Chase Morlang, sporting a hyperbola on his left chest.
Where's the leak, ma'am?
I'm gonna eat this hyperbola.
Cole, that's not a hyperbola. That is.
Oh.
I don't always eat hyperbolas, but when I do, I prefer Rice Krispies. Stay hungry, my friends.
Where's my hyperbola?
There's no out there.
No hyperbolas.
Well, fair enough.
Physics.
Fair enough.
Here's a hyperbola.
No, that's a sphere, silly.
No, that's a hyperbola. That's a hyperbola.
That's the best. That is unsatisfactory.
physics? Pathetic. We need to...
Physics.
Well, that was something. We'll now have questions from our audience.
Wait, is this water? Doesn't have near the electrolytes as
Physics.
it's scrumpy in my tummy. Yum, yum, yum.
Well, we will now be taking questions from the audience.
That's better.
Yes, go ahead, sir.
Can you tell me where I can find a hyperbola in real life?
Next question.
Over here, over here, over here.
Yes.
What instruments did you use to create this movie?
Well, about 30 gallons of
Physics.
to stay hydrated, and other various instruments.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No, sir, it is a condiment. Next question.
You're a pinhead.
Who you calling Pinhead?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Can you please give me a detailed description of the use of a hyperbola?
That's a great question.
Well, we are out of time. Join us next week on the Pythagorean theorem. Fact or Egyptian?
Finland.
Now we're gonna see how to solve a hyperbola equation.
Go.
Are you kidding me? What is this?
Man,
I'm
I
on-
can tell you were sweating, so I brought you some.
Physics.
Oh yeah. Feel the thirst.
Do you like it? Like it? Like it? Like it? Like it? Do you like it? Like it? Like it? Like it? Like it? How about this one?
You know, that's kind of like a fraction. It's improper for the larger one to be on top.
It looked like it was going to.
A squared and C squared are in love. Here it is. This had no pieces. Now look. Eric J. Rosfett.
Actually, it's an A.
I like Johansson as your middle name better. I think they're dead.